Get paid just using emails. Make money online. Ready to make a grand by just clicking a few buttons? Stick around as Profitability Plus spills the beans on the quickest way to pocket $1,000 using the power of emails. Don't blink, you won't want to miss this cash-generating secret. Ever wondered how to turn a simple email into $1,000? Today, Profitability Plus has the answer. We're diving into a money-making website strategy that requires no website, no experience, and best of all, zero investment. Join the club of worldwide earners. It's as easy as sending an email. Step 1. Head over to userproof.com, the go-to platform where websites boost their conversion rates in just 15 minutes. No website? No problem. No experience? No worries. It's all free. Scroll to the bottom, click on Partners, and embark on a journey with proof.partnerstack.com, an affiliate program that's your ticket to commissions. No fancy YouTube channel or blog required. We've got a fresh approach and a done-for-you email script that'll put more money in your pocket. Step 2. Pick at the pricing page. Slide the Visitors button and discover a potential monthly income ranging from $800 to $1,000. No math headaches, just follow our lead and watch the numbers grow. Lifetime commissions, 90-day cookies, and payment via PayPal or Stripe. We've got it all figured out for you. Click Join now, fill in some basics, and copy your affiliate link. Step 3. Venture into the world of technology blogs. Google technology blog and find websites already swimming in cash. They're the ones eager for more. More customers, more sales, more conversions. That's where you come in. Send an email using our proven script. Grab their attention with a subject line like important message about www.blank.com and watch the magic unfold. A 14-day free trial offer seals the day. You're not just offering, you're upgrading businesses. Step 4. Diversify your approach. Technology blogs are just the tip of the iceberg. Think cooking blogs, pet blogs, gardening blogs, all potential gold mines. Stick to the script and you'll be raking in profits faster than you can say email. Here is an alternative for user-proof for your business. Notifia. Elevate your engagement and conversions. Notifia isn't your run-of-the-mill social proof tool. It's a powerhouse, an all-in-one software solution that goes beyond merely increasing engagement and conversions. Packed with 30-plus widgets, plugins, and pop-ups, Notifia empowers you to engage, convert, and retain your website visitors seamlessly. From email capture and content lockers to lead magnets, exit intent surveys, click-to-call widgets, and welcome bars, Notifia's got it all covered. Why Notifia? Picture this: skyrocketing consumer trust, leveraging FOMO or FOMO, implementing social proof, all leading to more sales, acquiring quality leads, optimizing onboarding processes, boosting conversions, increasing revenue, and gathering referrals. Notifia's suite of marketing tools has your growth journey covered: acquisition, activation, retention, referrals, and of course, revenue. And the integration game? Top-notch, with compatibility extending to 1,500 plus apps. Leveraging Notifia to supercharge your business has never been easier. This is best suited for e-commerce, SaaS or SMBs seeking lead and conversion boosts. The key features? Live visitor count. Get real-time insights into your website's popularity, allowing you to fine-tune your strategies on the go. And of course, the social proof notifications showcase recent brand-related activities to instill confidence in your visitors and foster a sense of community. Real-time sales feed. Watch your sales, opt-ins, and conversions unfold in real time, providing instant gratification and motivation. The templates. A variety of templates at your fingertips to streamline the implementation of personalized messages and reviews. Review aggregation. automatically capture and display reviews from various platforms like Google, Trustpilot, G2 Crowd, Capterra, eBay, Amazon, and more. Reporting. Dive into detailed reports and gain insights into your website's performance, giving you the edge in decision making. For the pricing, Notifia understands the value it brings, and its pricing reflects that. With plans starting from $9 per month, it's accessible for businesses of all sizes. While there isn't a free version, they offer a 7-day free trial for all subscriptions. Want more? Sign up for the newsletter and enjoy an extended 30-day trial. The pros: personalized messages. Craft messages tailored to individual visitors, enhancing the personal touch. Growth marketing strategies. Seamlessly embed and set up growth marketing strategies within minutes. No coding headaches. And for the brand consistency, Notifia automatically aligns with your website's branding, maintaining a cohesive and professional look. Multilingual support. With support for 181 languages, Notifia adapts to your visitors' browser settings, displaying content in their preferred language. For the conversion summary, stay in the loop with a concise summary of conversions over the past 7 days. Customization. Tailor notifications to fit your brand by adjusting widget texts, designs, and images. Extensive integrations. Connect Notifia with over 1,500 apps, ensuring seamless integration with your existing toolkit. And for the cons, customer service. Notifia falls short in the customer service department, lacking live chat support and potentially leaving users without real-time assistance. If you're in the business of boosting leads and conversions, Notifia is your silent ally. With a robust suite of features and an easy-to-understand pricing structure, it's a must-consider for businesses of all sizes. Ready to elevate your engagement and conversions? Dive into the world of Notifia today. Now, compared to its flashy counterparts like UserProof, TrustPulse opts for simplicity. It's all about notifications, no bells, no whistles, just the essentials. You decide what triggers these notifications: purchases, registrations, demo bookings, or website page visits. Plus, the cherry on top, customizable display triggers. Make those notifications pop up precisely when and where you want them. Take a peek at the TrustPulse interface, and you'll notice the straightforward design. It's a no-frills, get-the-job-done kind of vibe. If you're looking for a feature-rich extravaganza, you might find TrustPulse a bit Spartan. But hey, not every website needs a symphony when a catchy tune will do. Now, here's where it gets interesting: the pricing. TrustPulse keeps it refreshingly simple, starting at $39 per year. For that, you get 2,500 sessions to sprinkle those notifications across your site. Sounds great, right? Hold your horses. If your website even sneezes with traffic, you could burn through those 2,500 sessions in a day. It's like trying to feed a feast to a hungry crowd with a snack-sized budget. To truly harness TrustPulse's potential, you'll likely to find yourself eyeing the higher-tier plans. The Growth Plan, ringing in at $349 per year, opens the floodgates to a whopping 100,000 sessions. Ideal for websites with a steady flow of visitors. However, this forces you into a yearly commitment. No monthly plans here. It's a bit like buying a car without test driving it first. Sure, it might be a smooth ride, but what if you're not a fan of the leather seats? Now, here's the deal breaker for some. To even explore TrustPulse, you need to hand over your card details for a free trial. That's right, no window shopping in this digital marketplace. Some might find it a bit off-putting. After all, who likes to give away their card information without a sneak peek? There you have it, the no-fuss, no-frills guide to making money online. Profitability Plus has your back, providing the strategies and scripts to turn your emails into a steady income stream. Like and subscribe for more money-making tips. Until next time, happy earning!